V-Control Pro supercharges the Faderport to be a powerful, focused track controller for Pro Tools. Now you can pair it perfectly with the Avid Control App running on a tablet, or with the Raven system for tactile control when you need it. The Faderport's standard HUI mode provides basic Pro Tools control with transport, track volume, track pan, solo, mute, record, and markers. V-Control Pro supercharges the Faderport for Pro Tools, fast focus and refocus, Pro automation, sends with flip mode, volume and pan reset, accurate fader marks, dialog cancel and OK, and all solo clear. V-Control Pro makes it fast and easy to focus the Faderport to any track in Pro Tools. You can move the focus track directly with the previous and next buttons, or select channel mode and use the encoder to scroll through any number of tracks. You can also select a track externally with a mouse or any other surface. If you select a track outside the current bank, V-Control Pro immediately indicates it is unfocused by blinking the track button. V-Control Pro's innovative Refocus feature finds the track for you. Simply tap the blinking button and V-Control Pro will quickly refocus. Fast focus and refocus makes the Faderport integrate perfectly with the Avid Control App and with the Slate Raven. V-Control Pro turns the Faderport into a first-class automation controller. Select any automation mode: off, touch, latch, write, read, and trim. When using touch or latch mode, the red buttons blink to indicate that automation is armed but not engaged. Then when you touch the fader, it instantly engages write mode, indicated by solid red lit buttons. And when using touch mode, writing is instantly disengaged as soon as you release the fader. Now you can automate Pro Tools tracks with confidence and precision. V-Control Pro adds Pro Tools Sends control with flip mode. Tap Link, Master, Click, or Section to select Send A, B, C, or D. Now the encoder adjusts that send level. Pushing the encoder toggles the send between pre-fader and post-fader. Press the bypass button to change to flip mode. Now the fader controls send level. The mute button controls send mute, and the encoder controls send pan for stereo sends. To reset the fader to 0 dB, hold Shift and touch the fader. To reset the pan to center, hold Shift and push the encoder. To clear all solos of the entire project, hold Shift and press Solo. When V-Control Pro detects Pro Tools is displaying a dialog, such as when adding a marker, it blinks the previous and next buttons. Press previous to cancel or press next to OK the dialog. Very handy. V-Control Pro accurately maps the Faderport fader to Pro Tools to match the dB level marks. Now you can use the fader with complete confidence. You can try out V-Control Pro by going to the website and getting a free trial license. To set up the Faderport for Supercharged Pro Tools control, select Setups in V-Control Pro, then Controllers, Add New, and select Faderport V2. A setup with Pro Tools will be automatically created. Select the Faderport in the setup to set the bank width. Set for 32 channels if using the Avid Control App or using it standalone. Set for 24 channels if using the Raven or any other 24 fader surface. In Pro Tools, select MIDI input devices and enable all of V-Control's fast virtual MIDI ports. Then open the MIDI peripherals panel and set up HUI banks using V-Control Pro's virtual MIDI ports.